Hey, Matt here, and welcome to another Mob Street video. Now tonight, I'm out here with both of the TW200s, and I'm going to give you my first impression on this guy right here, the TAC Industries LED headlight for the TW200 over the stock headlight for the TW. So, is it really worth the money? Stick around because that's what we're going to go over right now. Okay, so first off, with the TAC Industries headlight, the real reason I wanted to go with this headlight was, first off, they were new to the game. They were introducing a product for the TW200 that wasn't heavily flooded, I guess you could say. The market wasn't really flooded with an LED headlight for the TW. So when I saw this one come out, I saw that it was less than $100. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna give it a whirl. Plus, I really like the design. I haven't been sad about it one bit. Now, obviously, with the stock headlight on the TW, it's just a regular H4 bulb, nothing fancy, 55 watt, 55/60 watt. Now, when people look at a headlight for the TW, they think visibility. Now, they're most likely thinking nighttime visibility. But when I first got this, one of the very first things that I wanted to do was a side-by-side comparison in broad daylight. Now I say that because visibility, yes, obviously is important at night, but as far as safety goes, visibility, meaning other drivers or other riders being able to see you, is extremely important as well. So in the broad daylight, my wife and I took both of these bikes out and brought them right up the road with the sun aiming right at us. And in the video, it shows this headlight right here from TAC Industries is a lot more visible during the day than the stock headlight is on the TW200. Now, another reason that I wanted this headlight is because they are super easy to install. It's just remove that little bolt right there. There's a 10mm bolt on each side. Pull that out, disconnect your headlight, plug this guy in, and you're good to go. Now this, the TAC Industries headlight on the side, has two cross ports for mounting the headlight. And that allows adjustment in the headlight forward or backwards so that you can get the proper angle on your headlight, which is a pretty nice feature. So the other thing that I really liked about it, simple, perfect replacement, quick and easy, and installation is seriously less than 5 minutes. Now, one of the last things I want to talk about is the bleed through with the LED headlight. Right here behind the nacelle, it does come up behind the instruments here a little bit, but it really wasn't enough for me to really go, man, that bothers me a lot. Whereas on the original, you've got the foam that comes all the way around it and it blocks the light quite a bit. In the video here, you can actually see how much light is coming up through the nacelle there. There are ways to fix it. I wasn't overly concerned about it. So I just left it as is, and I've been happy with it ever since. So, is the TAC Industries headlight worth the money, and is it a worthy upgrade? If you're going to be riding the bike, like I said, in urban areas, if you're going to be doing a lot of night riding, if you're going to be doing a lot of just out and about riding where you are going to be around other people or you are going to be up in the hills, this light is awesome. So for the price point and for the performance that you get out of it, plus cutting the wattage literally in half from this headlight to the LED headlight, if you want to run a whole bunch of other accessories on your TW200, this is definitely the way to go, because then you'll be able to add your heated grips or add your heated seat pad or whatever it is that you might want to add to it. This will allow you to add a few other accessories without overloading your stator, whereas with this one, that might be something that you run into. So I say that, yeah, I'm happy with it. I really like it. I'll probably end up getting one for my 2019, and they are a great addition to the bike. So I hope you found this video informative. If there's any questions or comments, make sure to put those down below. I do my very best to get back to those as soon as I can. And as always, make sure to hit like, hit subscribe, and follow along, because I still have more coming with the 2021 TW200. I'm going to be doing more to the 2019, and we've just got a bunch more riding videos coming up, so make sure to stay tuned. And we're going to call her there. I'm Matt. This is the 2021 and the 2019 TW200, one with the TAC Industries Headlight, which I highly recommend, and the stock headlight. So this is Mob Street. Thanks for watching.